a1.sh. Okay, now tell me what's our requirement. Quick, how to. So I'm passing an input from outside. So I go enter the name to check. Read. Next what? If hyphen f of dollar name, then what?
Then
Go
if a name,
given
sorry, dollar name is it?
dollar name is a file content of file is right. Next what? Second condition.
For directory.
Elif.
How? How should I mention that?
Else.
Elif.
Elif. Then
Dollar name is the direct. Echo.
Given name is
Direct.
hmm. Now tell me which command?
Yes.
Hmm? ls? No. You should list only files, right? For that,
else.
Else.
hmm?
Else.
Else.
No.
Find.
Find. Find.
Find matched.
Fine. Tell me the full command. Hmm.
Match that. One.
Forget the command. Open your notes. You have examples, right?
iname file.
I name.
Iname in double quotes we need to give argument. Dollar name.
Argument.
Dollar names. Dollar name is there. Na? Sorry, F. Only five, sir. F.
Next. Else. Else what? That's it, huh?
Echo. Dollar name.
File.
No, if it's a file, it will display. If it's a directory, it will display. But that's it, right? That's our requirement. If it's a file or directory, then fi. Okay, next, this one.
अच्छा होगा
Using a for loop, I have tried, but it's so long.
For loop. Why for loop?
To list all the directories I have used that loop, sir. Using for
Srishti, be on mute.
sir
Yeah, be on mute. Yeah. But for loop is really required over here because we don't have multiple values here. We have one string. That string has to be checked in all the files. For that, we have a command. What I will do, first tell me the command. Grep hyphen
hyphen I
hmm,
LR
lr, then your pattern, right?
pattern.
Like dollar pattern. Next, that's it. It won't work.
No, sir. If condition we have to apply.
No, grep. I'm asking,
Grep.
right?
Sorry, ma'am.
star.
Start.
Star. Now this out. So let me add output equal to. Next, think what you used. If the pattern is present, it should display the files. Otherwise, it should display the error message.
Pattern not found.
How? Pattern not found? Okay, on which basis you will make it pattern as not found message display? Okay, see here. If dollar question mark, what is dollar question mark? What is dollar question mark? Forgotten.
No, sir.
Be-
Zero. Sir.
Before starting Git, we can have one mock session. Okay, I will mention when. I just want to see how you people understood and how we were learning. Okay, dollar question mark hyphen any zero means what? What's this condition?
Last state.
Not
I
equal
mean,
to 0.
Executed command is not equal to 0.
What's your last executed command here?
Pattern search.
This one, right? If it's executed successfully. Now this condition when it will be true. Dollar question mark is not equal to zero means what?
if it is searched the pattern, so then it will be a truth.
If it's searching a pattern, it will be true.
Ah,
If it's not searching a pattern, it will be false. What is dollar question mark?
status
It
of
is
the
to
last
check the status of
executed.
last previous command. Okay, how will you get to know whether it's a success or failure?
If it is zero, then success, and if it is
Success. Now, what I have mentioned in the condition,
not equal
what
to
is
zero,
any? That means what?
it
Not
is
equal to.
non-zero.
Non-zero, fine. But compared to
It
this command
fails.
means what?
It will fail to search the command.
Not
Failure.
not succeed.
Not succeeded. That means patterns not found, right?
Yes.
If the pattern is found, then only you will get some output, right? Right now, if the pattern is not present, it shouldn't display anything. That means it's not successful, right? We'll do one thing first. We'll validate first. grep hyphen ilr. Now let me search for bin star. It's searching all the files. Sorry, it's containing a bin as a pattern. Correct. Now if I do echo dollar question mark, it's zero. Now if I search DevOps, what it's giving output?
It's giving number, not succeed.
Number.
No, see, this is also a number. Zero also a number.
It is not
Non-zero.
successful. When DevOps is not there,
Non-zero. Non-zero.
Non-zero, right? Because we can't expect always it should be one. It may be 127, it may be 144, it may be 165, or it may be 8. Any digit non-zero. So now if you got some output, your dollar question mark should be the zero. So now what I have mentioned, if my output is non-zero, that is not equal to zero, then what's the statements?
Pattern not found.
The
Not found.
given pattern not found in any of the files. Else what? Else what? The below files will contain, right? Now
yes, sir.
you can run the same command. It will display, or you can do what?
Dollar output.
Echo dollar output, right? It will also store the same value. Anything is fine. You can run the same command again, or you can just print the variable output. Clear? Fi. Simple. That's why I have given special characters as a global variables. Dollar question mark. Very simple. If you run this command, if this command gives some output, this should be a zero. If it's zero means okay, something which is present inside of a file. That's our requirement. If it's found something in, if it found the pattern in any of the files, you should display it. That we are doing here. If it's not found, we are printing here. That's it. Next, same flux, huh? Same, right? Almost same. What we supposed to change? Enter the name to check dollar name. Given name is a file. That's it. No need to, because our requirement is to check the file. Alif D, name is directory. This is not required. Else, not else. We need one more. Alif.
Elif.
Then we should add or here. Then it should be capital L. Then echo dollar name is a sublink or link, whatever you can mention. Then else name not found. That's it, right? Now we'll see whether we can able to execute or not. Vi a1.sh. Let me paste it. Cool. So let me create some directories as well because we do have only files, right? So for all type of different types of directions, what I have mentioned in all the direction we have to think. So let me create some directories mkdir d1 d2, two empty directories. I will create some file inside this d1 because our script is to identify only in present working directory, right? So that's why d2 f2, and also let me create some empty directories as well. D3. D3 doesn't contain anything. So sudo apt install tree. See, D1 will contain F1, D2 will contain F2, D3 doesn't contain anything, and also I do have few other files. Now, so chmod dot plus dot plus plus x a1.sh. Then okay, let me run this a1.sh. What we'll do, we'll mention D2. Mm, something D2 is the directory list of files is come. Okay, the problem here is inside this script we have to mention the path, right? Vim a1.sh because we are executing in present working directory. So if this is executing, path should be the dollar name, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me run this first. Instead of dollar name, let me provide the next depth. Something we missing.
So we need
Hyphen.
to remove that max depth. Is that possible?
It's working now.
Yes, sir.
Hyphen.
Yes, sir.
If I'm not mentioning the directory name, see, it's listing present working directory, right? That's wrong. With
Yes,
respect to our script execution, it shouldn't be go for
Sir,
directory. Yes.
how does that make so difference? Like it
No,
made
it's giving an error, right? If you
yes.
observe, no such file or directory.
No, actually, the what is it without iPhone means and what with iPhone means.
See, some commands will behave differently. Okay, if
Okay.
in some of the commands, if you're missing some syntax, directly it will throw an error. But
Okay.
some of the commands will be used for different usage without and with, because small I sometimes will make different kinds of
Yeah.
execution methods, right? Capital I, small I, capital R, small r,
Yes.
everything used for different. Similarly, output also. See, if you observe here,
Yes, sir.
it's trying to display the output. Partially it's giving a result, but
Yes.
still it's giving an error saying that okay, no such file or directory, max depth and
Yes.
one. That means it treated after this you are mentioning something, because it didn't detected max depth fully 100%, right? It's partially
Okay.
detected and it's given partial result, and also it's thrown an error.
Error. Yes.
Okay, so now let me execute a1.sh. So let me provide d2. See, d2 is a directory. List of file is, it's only listing inside f2, right? What I will do,
Yes, sir.
let me create one more directory inside of it. It shouldn't be displayed, right? d2
Yeah.
slash dir. Okay, now if I list d2, see inside d2 I have f2 and dir.
Yes.
Same script, if I execute now, if I give the same name as d2, see, it's not listing dir.
Okay.
Clear
Yes, sir.
for everyone. Similarly, if I give no hub dot sh, sorry, no hub dot out, right? See, given no hub dot out is a file, content of file is, this is the content. Similarly, if I run this and if I give some random name test, test is not found. Understood? See, we passed file, it display the content. We pass the directory, it display only the files instead of it. Then if files or directory not present with that same name, it's play last else. Clear? Any questions? No? Okay. So similarly, this one, we I a 2.sh. So here let me delete this. Okay. So output I'm storing, then dollar question mark not equal to. That's it. Right now, okay, chmod a2.sh plus x dot slash a2.sh. Anything missing here? Okay. The problem here is pattern has to be passed, right? Echo enter the pattern to search, then colon space quotes, then read pattern, right? Then grab ILR dollar pattern is nothing but whatever the pattern we are passed to the script. Yeah, now it's fine. A2.sh pattern, let me mention as bin. Okay, see, the below files will contain the bin. bin is containing A1, A2 file, and these many
Sir,
files. So total, yes,
sir,
yes,
sir,
yes,
it
please.
containing even A2 also, sir.
Yeah, because slash bin slash bash, right? In
But I
all
don't
the
want to.
script,
But I don't want to.
see why you want to restrict, because what's our main requirement? Wherever it is present, it should display. If it's present in my file also, present it, right?
But
Similarly,
we are giving a pattern, right? I mean, in the pattern we are giving that pattern, no? So why we want our file to be
pat-
displayed? I don't want my file should not be displayed.
say pattern means irrespective of your file or any files, it should scan it, right?
Yes.
Including your file. What's its work? It should scan all the files. If it's present, it will display. If that pattern is present in my file also, see, sometimes requirement is if you have this one, it has to be replaced with that another thing, right? Then if you exclude your file, that's a very big problem, right? Because that change will have to be replicated over in production or somewhere else. If you miss that part in one of the file, then that make so many, different types of costs over there, right?
I mean, like
Because
we
usually
gave the
patterns
pattern.
is for changing or identifying, right? Yes, you are saying something.
No, sir, but we are giving the pattern to search, no, sir, and in the file.
Yes,
So,
yes.
uh, in that
Star
case,
means
why
what?
we want our file to be searched? It's
Wait.
just a script, no. In that script, we are giving the
No.
file. I mean, the pattern, right?
See, forget the script or maybe file or directory, whatever it is. What's your requirement first? It should scan everything. Star means what? Every files. See,
Every
if
file
you
should
want
be
to exclude
scanned.
particular files, you can use -n exclude or somewhere some other flags are there. You can pick it. But my question is, if something you want to search it in complete system or complete directory, you should scan everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Just let me give you an example, right? What security person will do, he will check all the things has to be scanned with individual person, but as a first he will also scan, right, in the machine. That means everyone is treated because that's our requirement. It should scan myself first, then others, because I'm searching pattern. There is no restriction. If you want to restrict, you can do it. I got your point, but pattern means it's a word. Why you are searching that word? Maybe due to because of you have to change that word to something else. Like for example, if it's a Linux, you have to change it to Unix. If it's a older date, you need to make it as a latest date. There is some requirement, right? So someone will ask it. Wherever it's present, it should scanned and changed, right? Then you should include your file as well. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir. But yesterday, what I thought is, I
You
was
should
confused.
include
I'm
file,
writing a script by it. Also, it is including my file also,
right?
and I thought to exclude that file, and so I included some flags
You
there,
can
sir.
exclude. Maybe I'm not sure. Let me check for
Yes, sir, I did, sir. With excluding present file, I did the coding and all.
what you made it. How you made it.
iPhone
What
exclude
flag you
exclude.
added
iPhone
here.
exclude. iPhone exclude.
Hyphen exclude and particular name of the file.
The example or the output. Dollar output.
Sorry. No, our file
iPhone.
is a script, but dollar output will contain all the files. Hyphen exclude. You have to mention your script name, right? a2.sh, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Let me check.
I think within a quotes we have to mention hyphen exclude equals
See, it's
to.
excluded.
Okay.
See, earlier a2.sh, now a2.sh is excluded.
Yes, sir.
But actual requirement is you should scan it. If you want, you can exclude it. Not only single file, you can exclude the directories, you can exclude hidden files, whatever you want, you can exclude it. Exemptions for that files. Okay, clear? Any questions? Okay, we have to check for pattern that's not found, right? It should go through the second condition. Dot a2 dot sh, then DevOps. The pattern not found in any of the files. Yes, it's correct, right? So it's searching the patterns. If its pattern is present, it's displaying the list of files. If it's not present, it's displaying the message. Any questions over here? Nothing? Move on to this. vi a3.sh. We'll see now. chmod plus xa3.sh. Syntax error. Date time is here. Which one? It's throwing an error. Else. Okay. Enter the name, read the name. If yeah, then then else. Unexpected token. Line 12. What unexpected token?
Sir, elif hyphen error, then in the next line it come then, right?
You
Yeah,
forgot then.
then okay. Enter name D1 is a directory. Then file. Given file is a file. Then link. Link is not found. Okay, let me create one link and check. Script 5.sh space link. Hmm, it's not identifying. it's treating as a file. I L is for hyphen H, true if okay, not hyphen L. You can check the existence of symbolic link and that's not broken with. If symlink, hyphen E used for hyphen E and hyphen H. Mm, okay. Don't mention it. Now we have a command to identify link. It will display code dollar question mark 0. Yeah, in this way we can find elif. What we'll do here? Yeah, echo dollar. Let me try with elif itself. Okay, given link is a name. It's falling to the first condition itself, right? It's treated as a file. Let me then elif file. Yep. Unary operator expected. It's not taking a file. Let us do same like grep. Any other question?
Sir, can we add H minus H
H
flag, sir?
it. It won't work. Let me add one more time. Check H dollar name. That flat take. Problem here is if I, rate. If I get this one as last exit, It will be treated as a are using H what it as
Okay, sir.
treated as file. A given file is a file. Okay, let's add this H variable, but this one has to be first here. So if H then then hyphen F it's a file, hyphen D it's direct. That's
After echo, there should be echo. Yeah, yeah, it's correct. But if no,
elif. If who use this flag, our to be if you're placing over here means we have but also the same. First, you should check for this. Another solution is to try to run that file command. If it is successful, means link, right? File, if used for file, it won't dollar question mark. Oh, file like echo dollar question mark 0. Then also it treated some output is then dollar question mark 0. Okay, this is not a solution then. We can't use that file command. Using file links to tree. Let's see the output of file command file. That's not a symbolic link. It's ASCII text. The trees will get ASCII text. Now let's run the command. To read link, read link, link name. Okay, read file. Get the output. Can use the read link name. Give the file where it's linked at, so we can get this out status. If then it's link. If it's 0, it's not link. Then we'll go for elif. Either we can use elif or read link name. Okay, cover tree. Okay, we'll cover remaining script on next class. Okay, I will share.
no, sir.
Okay, we'll connect. Next class will be remaining. Try to finish that. Okay, see you then. It's already late. Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Okay, bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.